key to any beautiful lawn is a good lawn mower, so it's important to keep it properly maintained. Here are some easy steps to maintain your lawnmower all year round. Here's what you'll need. To sharpen your mower blade, first, disconnect the spark plug. Then, make sure the fuel tank has been emptied. Next, carefully turn the mower on its side. Using a socket wrench, remove the mower blade. Use a file or grindstone to sharpen the blade, keeping it at a 45-degree angle. Always use eye protection. Now, sharpening will not help a damaged blade. You'll need to replace it if it has severe dents or cracks. Regular changing of the oil on your gas mower will extend its life and cut down on repairs. For push mowers, change the oil after every 50 hours of use, or annually, whichever comes first. For riding mowers, change oil annually or after 100 hours of use. And before changing the oil, remember to disconnect the spark plug wire. Next, remove the oil cap and dipstick, and empty the old oil into an oil-safe container. Carefully turn the mower onto its side. Return the mower to its position and refill with clean oil according to your owner's manual specifications. Add new oil up to the fill line on the dipstick. Gasoline can go stale quickly. Adding a fuel stabilizer can help keep gas fresh and protect your engine. Most lawnmower tune-up kits contain fuel stabilizer along with replacement spark plugs and air filters. The start of mowing season is a good time to do yearly maintenance, like replacing spark plugs. Disconnect the spark plug wire and remove the spark plug with a wrench. Screw in the new spark plug and tighten with a socket wrench. Finally, reconnect the spark plug wire. A lawnmower's air filter should be cleaned or replaced to keep dirt and debris from clogging the engine. Always disconnect the spark plug before changing the air filter. Now, plastic foam filters can be removed, washed with warm soapy water, air dried, and coated evenly with 2 tablespoons of clean mower oil before being returned. This is a paper filter. These can be replaced with a new one. Replace the air filter cover and reconnect the spark plug. Periodically, check your lawnmower's hardware and tighten when needed. Make sure to check the cord and battery often, and always store batteries and cords in a cool, dry location. For riding mowers, replace the fuel filter once a year, and make sure the tires are properly inflated. Replace any damaged wheels. Your lawnmower will need to be cleaned a few times a year. Now, before conducting any maintenance, make sure to disconnect the spark plug wire and empty the fuel tank. Turn your mower on its side so that you can remove any debris wrapped around the blade or trapped on the underside of the deck, and use a water hose to loosen grass and dirt. You can use a nylon brush and soapy water to scrub those stubborn parts. Make sure to dry your mower thoroughly with towels before storing. So, remember these tips when winterizing your lawnmower. Store it until spring in a dry location. And remember, never store your lawnmower next to a water heater or furnace. Consistent maintenance will keep your lawn looking its best and your equipment lasting a long time. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.